Have you been holding out for that perfect house that has it all? The wait is over with this 5-bed 3-bath home on 1.49 acres. The main floor of this home features 2 bedrooms, a full bath, primary suite with walk-in closet, primary bath with double sinks and soaking tub in addition to the main floor laundry. The basement was finished in 2021 and hosts a wonderful theater room along with 2 additional bedrooms, a full bath and bonus room that could be used as a home office. Not only was the design of the home well thought out, so were the upgrades. This home has geothermal heating and cooling, whole home audio and whole home humidifier, just to name a few. Don't forget about the triple garage insulated with spray foam, floor heat, floor drain and hot and cold water. This house has